My preference is not eyebrow lamination, which can sometimes cause skin irritation as well due to these perming agents that are used for semi-permanent modification of the eyebrows. Using a correctly formulated eyebrow cosmeceutical can be very helpful. Well, first of all, it can help to nourish the eyebrow hair, which itself is fragile, just like the eyelashes. And it is important to note that a lot of these chemicals used in eyebrow lamination or other eyebrow procedures are not specifically tested for the delicate eye or facial area. Well, it is good for us to think about whether something is sustainable in the long term as well. So having a procedure that you can, my top tip would be to start with an eyebrow care product that you can use daily. This can strengthen your eyebrow hair. And also, with the design of the applicator, can achieve the same effects as eyebrow lamination. And it is something that can be done safely and effectively on your own in the comfort of your own home.